Well, I finally got the crankcases apart, as you can see. But what I had to do was this was jammed on. I had to cut a vertical slot down through the boss and then cut round the side as much as I could to get that off. Then beat it off with a hammer. And I found that the Woodruff key was jammed in up at an angle. After that, it was all plain sailing and it came apart fairly quickly. All I've got to do now is clean all this crud out of here, which will involve a bath in petrol and goodness knows what else to get all these metal filings out, and then check the main bearings, then put it all back together. So that'll be quite easy, won't it? Oh yeah. Apart from that, the gearbox looks reasonably good. Everything in there was okay to start with. But anyway, that's the way it goes. So I'll give you another update when I've done a bit more to it.